My name is Kathrin Bauer-Kohout. I work as a project manager for our people and organization function here at Enel. I'm with the company for nearly 1 year now. I really appreciate it, and I still appreciate the trust that the company gives me. They looked at my passion and decided, yeah, let's get Kathrin on board. What I really like is that Enel sees the person behind the work. Enel absolutely supports the diverse workforce. So take me for example, I'm coming from Germany. The company saw in my different perspective that I bring to the table a benefit that can provide new ways of thinking about problems, about challenges that we face. I absolutely enjoy the global culture. When you want to do purpose-driven work that makes you proud every day, Enel is the place to be.